Hi guys, let's go ahead and get started into this tutorial. So today we'll be using this 84-inch ponytail. So I guess is it really 84 inches if I had to split it in half and then braid? I don't know, so I guess it's more like 42 inches once it's all said and done, but that's cool. So right now you just see me going ahead and parting my hair in a zigzag part because I didn't want no straight back middle part ponytail. I wanted a zigzag one. So you can see everything is really self-explanatory. My hair was a little nappy, but mind your business. I'm using this edge control. Now this edge control, I got it from Hollywood Beauty, and as y'all know, my products are in Hollywood Beauty, so go ahead and shop Be Minked. But this was some new edge control, and it's the Black Panther edge control. So it's supposed to be like strong, firm, and hold every nap, kink, and every curl in place. Do you hear me? And it did exactly that. Like when I say this is a one product video, literally one product was used to get this slick ponytail. So right now you just see me brushing that in and combing in that product. Well, okay, I was brushing it, but whatever. I tried to pull some edges out. It wasn't none. But that's cool. You in my business? Don't do that. So right now I am just brushing it back, forming that ponytail. Y'all all know how to do a ponytail, which is why I was real conflicted with doing a voiceover, because I'm like, how do I even? It's cool though. I'm gonna just do what I do. So I'm really putting this product in my hair like it's a perm at this point, because I needed to lay flat. Okay, I needed to be as flat as possible. So that's what you see me doing. However, before we move any further with this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Come join the Be Minked Beauty gang today. And right now I know it looks like I'm hurting my head, but trust me, I'm not. A lot of you guys don't know, but I actually just started growing my hair back a year ago. Well, 2 years ago. 2 years ago I had cut my hair all the way off, and I wore it short and shaved off for about a year, and I just started growing it back last year, and this is really the progress. So I'm really excited about that, and that's why you'll see me always posing, because since I didn't have no hair, I'll go ahead and insert a pic. So you guys, thank you so much for rocking with me this far into the video. Right now I am forming my ponytail. This is where the video pop off at, because this is really what we all been waiting for. Oh, so I am forming my ponytail, and I am just making sure that product is really in there, because I want this to be a really, really sleek ponytail. I got a ponytail. I got a ponytail. I got a ponytail. Okay, y'all don't mind me. Just a little happy. You know, like I said, I was bald headed. No hair, no swoop, no curl, no bang, no nothing. But right now I'm just getting into like some little details, being extra. I use my Got to Be spray, and I sprayed that over to go ahead and lock everything into place. And then I'm gonna use my blow dryer and just give it a quick blow. And you guys, make sure you are subscribed to the Beauty Gang. You guys want to make sure you are getting the post notifications for Be Minked Beauty TV, so you can be aware every single time I drop a new video. And I know some of y'all wondering like why half of her face is done. I'll just be doing stuff, okay? I was like, I wanted to do my makeup, but then I was like, dang, how am I gonna do my makeup and my hair not done? So then I was like, okay, let me do my hair. But anyways, right now I'm applying this ponytail to my hair, and I seen this method on Facebook. It had went viral, and the way she had did it was so dope. But y'all, meanwhile, I realized that was gonna be too thin of a ponytail, and I wanted my ponytail a little bit more thicker. I wanted that joint to be thicker, you feel me? So yeah, I added more hair. But anyways, this method is so easy, and it makes your ponytail look so nice after it's applied. So just check it out, just watch it. I mean, I don't even know how to really explain what I'm doing right now. And right now you see me just sectioning off the piece that I'm going to use to wrap around my ponytail. And then I am sectioning the hair into 3 pieces as even as possible, and I'm going to begin my braid.
Mommy lashes.
What about mommy lashes? They are not free. Make sure y'all shop the lashes, and the lashes that I am rocking are in the style flare away. So go ahead and head over to the Be Minked Beauty website and get your lashes, girl. Or guy. We don't discriminate. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys really enjoyed this quick one product, one simple, I don't know. I just hope you guys really enjoyed the final look. Thank you so much, and until next time.